Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is July the 10th, and I thought it was about time that I gave you a little update on some corn that I started a while ago. I'll put up on the screen when we started the germination on these for the last video that we were on, and it's quite a while later, but I just haven't been around long enough to plant these, and they have grown quite a bit, and they are screaming to get planted right now. You can see how large these are. They are pretty large, and they really want to get into the ground. We had a little bit of a windstorm the other day, and I guess I had not planted some of these deep down enough, and some of the roots are actually exposed a little bit. I was just covering them up before I started this video. But I just wanted to show you what baby corn looks like before it really starts to take off. And I'm going to plant that probably today. I'm going to plant all of these today. And hopefully you'll be able to see these as they keep maturing. So anyway, that's it. Really fast video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll catch you on the next one.